Welcome to the Module 2 of Day 5. The Module 2 talks about the functional English, and today's functional English section is to give and take instructions along with clarifications. This is a very important use of English language to give instructions to others, to take instructions from others along with clarifications. Let's get started to this module. Giving instructions to others and seeking clarifications while listening to the instructions given are quite important use of language that has to be very clear to avoid ambiguity while listening. Clarification is essential while listening to others for correct understanding of the topic discussed in the group or class, and the language used should be very polite without offending the speaker. Giving instructions is very common in a classroom, in laboratory by the teacher, in the society outside, at home, or among the friends, as well as giving instructions is often very short, apt, and clear. The steps in giving the instructions should be without any ambiguity, and hence the use of adverbs like firstly, secondly, lastly, etc. are to be used. The use of imperative sentences helps to express the giving of instructions in a better way. The following are the rules that are to be kept in mind while giving instructions. Always use the imperative sentences. The instructions should be short and clear. The use of numerals with every expression for ease in understanding and avoiding ambiguity is to be followed. Look at this instruction number 1. Take a pencil and a piece of paper on the paper pad. First, take a ruler and put it straight on the paper. Draw a straight line of 3 centimeters. Then, place the ruler at the tip of the straight line drawn exactly 90 degrees. Draw a straight line of 3 centimeters. Second, place the ruler at the tip of the second line again at 90 degrees. Draw a straight line of 3 centimeters. Now combine both the lines and measure it. It would be exactly 3 centimeters. Thus, the square of 3 centimeters length and width is drawn. Follow this. These instructions help you to draw a square of 3 centimeters length and breadth. The instructions should be short, clear, with the use of the words like first, then, second, thus, etc. Look at the second instruction set. First, add 3 spoons of chicory coffee powder in the filter. Second, take a vessel with water and heat it on the stove. Then, pour the boiled water into the filter with chicory powder. Wait for 5 minutes for the decoction to be sieved in the lower container of the filter. Third, heat milk in a separate vessel. Then add sugar to the boiled milk. Now, turn off the stove and add the filtered coffee decoction to the boiled milk. Pour it in a coffee mug and drink it hot. This is how you make a filtered coffee. Did you see? These are the instructions that are given in order to make a filtered coffee with decoction, milk, and sugar. Look at this instruction set. First, bake an egg into a bowl and mash it well. Add salt, pepper, finely cut onion pieces, finely cut green chilies, and finely cut coriander to it. Then, heat a pan on the stove. Add some oil to the pan. When the pan is hot, slowly pour this mixture on the pan. Simmer the flame and allow the omelette to cook and become golden brown. Turn the omelette in the opposite direction with a spatula. When golden brown on the other side, take it out in a plate and eat it hot. This set of instructions enable us to make an omelette. Look at this. First, wash the mangoes in clean water. Peel off the skin of the mangoes and cut the mangoes into small pieces. Then take the mango pieces in a mixture pot. Add half cup of milk, 4 ice cubes and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, blend them well in the mixture grinder and make mango pulpy juice. Lastly, take it in a glass and enjoy the drink. Wow, what a wonderful way of giving instructions to make the mango juice. Look at this set of instructions. Walk straight for 2 miles and then turn left into a lane. You will see the Saraswati Mandir. From there, take right and walk 5 minutes. Stop when you see the Pratham Mini Mall, opposite to which you see the Shivajinagar police station. The Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Public Library is adjacent to it. You can see a big hoarding of it on the building. It is in the second floor of the building. Come straight here and I shall be there. This is a set of instructions that give us the route to a particular house. Let us look at a few dialogues. The first dialogue is between the teacher, Preeti, Suresh, Govind, and others. The teacher says, "Dear students, let's learn to make a paper boat today. We'll require a piece of paper that is cut in a perfect square. You have the square papers in different colors in the origami kit. Take out the blue colored paper." Rahul says, "Yes, ma'am." Preeti, "Excuse me, ma'am, can I take the red paper?" The teacher says, "Sure. Now fold the paper exactly in the center to make it half. Then fold again to make a small square. Swarna, fold it properly. Exactly in the middle. Seema, help her to do this better. Yes, that's good. Pardon me, sir. Is mine the correct way? Suresh asks. The teacher says, perfect. Now you can count the 4 free leaves of the folding. Take 1 leaf and fold back, and the rest 3 to the other side to form a triangle. Look at my folding and follow it very carefully. Now catch the triangle and open it with both sides to make a boat. Sheila says, "Ma'am, would you please repeat the last step? I missed it." The teacher says, "Why not? Look at it carefully." Going near Sheila, catch the folded paper and slowly open it to form the boat. "Got it, ma'am. Thank you so much," says Sheila. Meena says, "Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. I'm not clear regarding the instructions. Can you please repeat the entire procedure practically?" The teacher says, "Yes, Suresh gets it right. See, Suresh, please come forward and explain the class right from the beginning so that the class would follow to make a boat." Wow, that's the instructions part. I hope you had enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching it. Stay tuned for the next video.